I welcome you to my channel Learn with Pharmacy. In today's video, we are going to acquire the information on the term pharmacokinetics. So, the word pharmacokinetic has been derived from the Greek word that is pharmakon, which means drug or medicine, and kinesis means movement. In short, pharmacokinetic is the study of the movement of the drug in the body. Or, in another word, pharmacokinetic is the study of ADME, that is, how drugs are absorbed, distributed, and how does metabolism take place. And metabolism is also known as biotransformation, and finally, how drugs get excreted from the body. This study is known as pharmacokinetics. Every drug is passed through the process that is known as pharmacokinetics, that means ADME, that is absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. In absorption, drug enters the bloodstream, and in distribution, the distribution of the drug takes place in the body tissue. And in metabolism, that is also known as biotransformation, drugs breaks down in the body. And the last stage, that is excretion. In excretion, the drug is excreted from the body. So hope you have understood the term that is pharmacokinetics. So like, share and subscribe to our channel Learn with Pharmacy. We will back with our new term in next video. Thank you.